Hey everyone, today we are comparing these two Historonica products. So one is an automatic wire stripper and crimper. We're going to check out the wire stripping side of it. And this one is a multi-function wire stripper. So let's get these opened up. Got one there. One here. So we're going to give you a little product demonstration. So here we go. The regular multi-function wire stripper. Excellent handles, solid, locks, clips, so you can cut your wire here and then strip different sizes. Looks like from 20 gauge wire all the way to 10 gauge wire. And then down here it has a little crimper as well. So you could do a little bit of a crimping with this as well. So there's that. Next one, automatic wire stripper. So basically, any gauge wire you want, you pop it in here, squeeze it, and it strips it for you. Automatic, in my opinion, is definitely a great way to go. So here we go, wire crimper, different sizes. It gives you some listings here. Very, very difficult to see, but you can kind of read them there with the glint of the light on it. Solid handles, I like it. One-handed operation, very easy to use. Some color coding for different size crimpers there. But like I said, today we're checking out the wire stripping function. The only thing right here is the wire cutter. So check that out right there. So let's take a look. We've got a little scrap piece of wire. First test, wire cutting. Okay, check this out. No problem. Okay, wire cutting over here. Check it out. Right down there. Okay. Perfect. Wire stripping. So this is the tough part on this one. You got to figure out what gauge wire you have here. Most likely, this would be a 14 gauge, so I'll go this direction. So put it in here, 14 gauge, line it up, squeeze and pull, and there's your wire stripping. Very simple. Okay, this one, doesn't matter. You set it in the top, wherever you want. Strips it for you. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's do it again. It's so much fun. Okay, put it in. And look at, one thing to note is it doesn't strip off too much wire. So I'll show you again. Let's cut this off. So let's say you wanted to strip like half the wire here. You can see how it's sticking out. There's like a little safety catch here. So it can't do that. It won't do that. It'll just push it back till it comes to a safe space where you strip just enough wire so that you can then bend this to wrap it around a terminal screw. So this is pretty much foolproof. Whereas this one, if you wanted to strip off a whole bunch of wire, you could definitely start anywhere you want, make your cut, and then just push, and look at that. Now you take off. Oh dang, way too much wire for a hot line, because by the time you wrap that around the terminal screw, now you got all this exposed. Now, obviously this is an exaggeration, but there you go. There's a difference there. So, if you had to choose which one, based on the video, which one would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments below. But look at this. They are both tools from the same company. Both a very good option. Durable. Sometimes you might need something like this. Sometimes you might prefer something like this. So you can grab them both with a link in the description below for your tool bag. They're very reasonably priced, at least at this point in time. And they both work extremely well. You can see here, look at that. And this one you just saw, of course. So very nice. I like that they both automatic, keep open. This one's got a lock. This one doesn't need a lock. But there you are. Again, any questions or comments, post them below and I'll do what I can to help you out.